welcome to Machinery Video. Today we're going to get a look at an OOYA RE3 2500 radial drill. Right now I'm showing the machine feeding and it just knocked out. This machine is running right now 870 RPM. This is a real large drill. This is 8 foot on the arm. And this is a 19-inch column. So this is a real large capacity drill. And we're going to show it run in all aspects. This drill is under power for your inspection. And we'll go from there. Right now we're showing the arm elevate on the column. This machine runs in all aspects. It's in really nice condition. Likewise, lowering the arm. This is the lever to lock it in place then. This is the clamping and unclamping mechanism. That firms up that mechanism there. We'll go ahead and shift the drill. Here we're running the drill in a much slower RPM. This is 54 RPM. And now I'm going to show the reversing clutch work. Nice and smooth. And we can go ahead and this would be a very fine feed because it's such a slow RPM. To walk around this machine, it has a 42-inch by 48-inch steel layout table on it, and it's been cleaned up and oiled up and is preserved and ready to go out. And the machine has a very nice electrical disconnect right here. And I'll take a minute and show the electrical and mechanical panels. And it also has a coolant pump and sump right here. This is the mechanical panel where all of the hydraulic action of clamping, unclamping, and so forth takes place, and everything back here is clean and works just as it should. Likewise, this is the electrical panel, and this is all original electrical panel here. Thanks for viewing Machinery Video. This machine is available to be inspected under power anytime by appointment. Please take a look at our website and view our new additions at www.wigglesworth.com. And as always, have a great day.